Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Mobolaji if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got my bride ready for a big day. So if you're getting your bride ready, you want to go on your skin prep, because if your bride is going to have a really long day, the skin prep is what's going to help the makeup stay intact. So my bride had a really long day. She changed her outfit 3 times, so that which is why I'm going to show you everything I did with the skin. Okay, the very first thing I did was to moisturize her skin. I moisturized her skin, and then I went in with a moisturizing serum again, followed by this primer from Kiss Beauty. This primer is a jelly primer and it's really lovely. I'm going in with this jelly primer because I want the face to have a sort of glow after the makeup, you get. And then I went into her T-zones with a mattifying primer only on her T-zone areas. Then that one I put on the other perimeter of her face is another type of primer. Is not mattifying and is not moisturizing, just there. So I just layered some of the products. Then I went in with foundation. The foundation I'm using today is L'Oreal True Match in either Cacao, L'Oreal True Match in Cacao and Huda Beauty foundation in Mocha. You guys already know how I spread my foundation. I pick up with brush, especially if I want like sheer to medium coverage. I pick up with my beauty sponge, I place and I blend immediately. Also, I went in with blush, and the blushes I'm using, you guys already know, are the liquid blushes from TM Essentials. Very nice, very lovely. And then I'm doing my normal highlights routine. You guys already know I don't cream contour. Lately, cream blush has been serving as cream contour for me, honestly. So I blend in the darker concealer first, and then I'm blending the lighter one. The concealer I'm using today, the both concealer I used today is from Cacao Cosmetics. I used the caramel and the Cacao Cafe. So I'm setting the highlights with Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. I use the brush for under eye, and now I'm using the brush for the other parts of the highlighted area. So after setting the highlights, you guys already know I set the whole face with powder. Now I'm using V Beauty powder palette. I don't know which shade that I'm using from the palette, but I know I used V Beauty powder palette. So now I'm setting the contour with I'm trying to bring back warmth to her face, and I'm using this Maybelline powder in Cacao. And I heard recently that this powder has already been discontinued. I was shocked because for the longest time I had this particular powder, and now that I was trying to restock on it, I was told that it has been discontinued. Anyways, I went in with blush, and my blush, you guys already know, is the V Beauty blush palette. It has variety of blushes, so I think if you can get your hands on it, V Beauty palette is a really nice blush. Then also, you guys, filming eyebrow tutorial on camera is an extreme sport. So I'm just going to leave these few eyebrow clips there. If you can get anything, you guys already know I outlined the lower and the upper part of the eyebrow with my Edgar and Esther brow pomade, and I think this one I'm using is in, I can't remember, but it's the darkest shade in the Edgar and Esther brow pomade. Anyways, so you guys, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for like all these views on my recent and like my old videos. Like, I was so shocked when I woke up one morning and I kept getting notified of like what's it called now, comments. I was like, what's going on? And then I checked my app and I saw that especially the Edo bride started gaining a lot of views. Thank you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. This is another Edo bridal makeup for you guys. So I intend to film the whole, like all our 3 outfits, but you guys, the rush this particular day was really crazy. So you people will just manage this Edo look, and that will be it. Thank you so much guys for like the views, the comments and everything. Please, if there's any tutorial you guys would like to see, like if there's any tutorial in particular, if it's the eye, if it's eyeshadow, if it's eyebrow, that you want detailed tutorials, please drop the comments down below. I'll be very glad to film tutorials for you guys. So you guys saw that I just went in, like what I did majorly for the eyeshadow was to go in with matte shadow. The matte shadow is like brown, and it was from my Morphe eyeshadow palette, and then over the shadow, the brown shadow, I just placed pigments on it, and that's how I achieved this look. I have this glitters and pigments tutorial on my channel. Please just go ahead and watch it if you need more explanation. Also, you guys can see that the bride was already feeling herself because she saw what she looked like from the viewfinder, and she was already like, oh wow, she was already feeling herself. So you guys, a lot of you people that view my videos are not subscribed to my channel yet. Please, you guys, just click the subscribe button and I'll be glad for you to join the family. It will be nice for you to join the family, okay? So yeah, this is the finished look of our Edo bride. She looks so stunning. Please just drop a comment, even if it's just, oh, this is beautiful, this is lovely. Drop a comment, you know, let's have conversations in the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. But I'm going to just drop the clip of the full outfit here. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.